Hey, good morning. It's day 19 of my journey into myself. And I just wanted to talk a little bit about excuses and how they get in our way of achieving everything that we're capable of. It's common and it's basically a little bit of human nature to make excuses for ourselves because we're creatures of comfort. We don't want to have to do things that are new and different because new and different is like it's uncomfortable. However, there is also a lot of discomfort in not achieving what you set your mind to. It kind of tends to breed a sense of I'm not capable. I tend to never follow through on my goals. And I think that sometimes that's because we bite off more than we can chew. We set too big of goals instead of doing incremental things, like just choosing one thing and then doing that consistently. And then that breeds a sense of confidence in yourself, in your ability to follow through. And then once you've got that one locked in, choose something else. So maybe think about what is something that you'd like to change in your life that would elevate where you're at in your life? And what's one small increment of that? And how can you just start doing that consistently? What does it take for you? Do you need to make a sign and put it on your wall? That's cool. Do you need to make little stickies and put them all over your house? That works too. Little reminders, daily actions lead to huge results. Have a fantastic day.